Your first day here?
No, our fifth day.
Any experiences? Good? Yeah?
Estamos aquí hablando. Estamos disfrutando un poquito de la vista.
Dobrý večer. Všetci. Quieren, sí, poquito puedes. Puedes darlo. Good morning, Netherlands.
Good morning.
Welcome to Puerto de la Cruz. Very nice to meet people from Netherlands because this art project actually, or most of these sculpture bicycles were inspired in Amsterdam 2017.
Oh, cool.
You watch my videos or something?
Yes, I wanted to know what's here in Puerto de la Cruz, what you can do here. So I was going on YouTube and I saw your videos like every day or something. I saw a kind of bike with guitars in it and dogs. I saw dogs and people were walking around. You made some videos. I thought, oh, really cool. I can look around what's going on here. And I knew that if I come here, I'd see you. And yes, I said it in the shop right there. So we'll probably will see that guy here. And we walked around out of the store and you were here. So it's really fun.
Very cool. Enjoy everything. Enjoy this beauty.
Thank you very much.
Very, very nice to meet
It
you.
was very cool.
Thank you well for Amsterdam. Thank you for walking El Niño. I'm meeting you again. Hello.
Hi.
Are you English speaking?
Huh? Could you repeat that?
You want to pet him? You can pet him a little bit. Ladies, we are YouTubers.
YouTubers.
Canary, relax videos. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah?
Just a pause, just a pause.
Yeah! Where are you from? Tell me.
We're from England.
Okay.
We come on holiday.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
First day today?
No, this is our last day here.
Last day.
Yeah.
Any nice experiences?
Yes. It's different.
Tell me.
We went to the bar and there was dancing salsa. It was amazing.
Yeah?
And my mom was dancing with them as well.
Okay.
People are very nice.
So you feel like people are
Welcoming?
welcoming?
A bit. A bit.
A bit.
Yeah, I don't think it feels like they have never seen it. Yes.
Okay. Well, have a pleasant journey back home and see you next time. Okay.
See you next time. Thank you.
Bye bye. quite cloudy today. We are lucky you can see the sun. Finally.
Avanzar de otra puta manera. ¿Sabes? Pero
Hola chicas,
Hola.
¿qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
YouTube canal Canary Relax Videos.
Oh.
Mañana con vosotros.
¿Cómo?
¿Se puede?
Sí.
Bueno,
Estamos aquí hablando. Estamos disfrutando un poquito de la vista.
hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Ahoj, dobrý večer.
Slováky, ne?
Dobrý večer. Všetci. Počuli sme, že sú z Rakúska. Another scam people. Buenas tardes, señoritas.
Hola. Ya, guapa. Guapo. ¿Quieres papa? ¿Puedes comer?
¿Quieres? Sí, poquito puedes. Puedes darlo.
Toma, mi amor. Toma, papá.
Poquitito.
Toma. ¡Ay!
Uy.
Toma otra. Venga.
Hasta. Gracias, hasta luego.
Por la calle, me tenía que la mano y dice, ¿sabes la mano? Y me dice, ¿por qué? Y le dije, mira, ¿ves?
Arriba, ni se compra ni se vende el cariño verdadero. Ole, vámonos.
Y el broto visto así.
YouTubers, hello. YouTube channel about Puerto de la Cruz. How are you doing, ladies? We have met nice ladies from Germany. Hello, Germany.
Hello.
Your first day here?
Hello. Our fifth day.
Any experiences? Good. Yeah.
We were on a boat.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Okay. To see whales? Or,
Yes, and dolphins.
and?
And dolphins.
And?
Whales. That's all.
I know, but have you seen them?
Yes, of course.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, they were so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.
Manila and Paris.